What do I know about trailer houses? Well, I know that when the floor gets wet because of, I don't know, maybe a water heater leaking, and it will because of the PEX gray plumbing that will fail, or if the bathtub leaks, and it will because of the thin plastic that it's made of, or if the doors and windows leak, and they will because of the nature of gaps and water seeking out gaps. So if the floor gets wet, then you have this phenomena of little flakes of damaged particle board raining down onto the ground below the trailer. The space between the floor joist gets weak and will no longer support the weight of a human, even a small one. And so you have to learn to step on the framing from point A to point B so you don't wind up raining down on the floor, on the ground below, like the particle board. Just a little nugget of information there for you.